us in 1 minute please, then tusikize wazee pia, si ndio? That mic is not on, Kimberly. No, just there's a reason you need to.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Kimberly Grace from the University of Nairobi. Mine is to give a comment. Senator, I met you when I was that young girl, Pile Caucus here, young captain. And I remember that time we came and told you the university fees are being hiked, watoto wana drop out, and you brought that to the floor and it was acted upon. The other time, nikaona there was a police shooting Nairobi University hostels, Kikuyu student, and you also stood for us. That means as Linda Mwananchi, you've always prioritized the people. You've taken into consideration what the Constitution says, that sovereignty, the power belongs to the people, and that is why it is not Linda Ground, but it's Linda Mwananchi, because the power belongs to us as Mwananchi. My youth oye.
Oye.
My youth oye. Tusitumike, let us not be used as goons. They call us goons. They call us bloggers. Let us not be used as that. Tumechoka kuchota maji, tumechoka kukua cameramen around. Let us also be on this table. Sisi pia tusikike. 50-year-old people cannot be deciding for us. We have our own problems as youth. Sawa sawa. Let the fire burn. Mi nasikia niko na hasira sana when you talk about extrajudicial killings. These people will never be compensated. And I want to ask you people, is it Singapore or is it Singapore? Because right now Nairobi is flooding. We're not going to use Sakaja's dimples to fetch the water. Soon enough they are going to form a committee to compensate these people, which is just for formality. Let us be implemented like it has been said on the floor. Thank you. Hasira ni mingi sana.
Asante.
And just to remind you, because the IEBC is running out, Pale University of Nairobi opposite, there is the anniversary towers. I've been registering students for the sake of Hon Perpetua, but it is our own responsibility, youth for youth, sindio? Tuende pale ukiwa CBD, take that one person mwenye haja register, mpeleke pale a register, because our voice is lying in our vote. Sawa sawa. Thank you so much.
Asante sana. Aya, tusikie wazee bwana. We, nipati